Mike Tyson, l'homme qui avait tout en sa faveur. Ses contemporains savaient que monter sur le ring avec lui signifiait frôler la mort sportive. L'un des hommes qui décida de le vérifier de face fut Donovan Razor Ruddock, un géant jamaïco-canadien célèbre pour sa puissance de frappe brutale, pour sa force physique et pour un coup étrange appelé The Smash. Une gauche entre crochet et uppercut capable d'éteindre n'importe qui en une seule seconde. Ruddock n'était pas n'importe qui. Il n'était pas un adversaire de plus. Il était grand, fort, dangereux, avec la confiance de celui qui croyait pouvoir regarder Tyson dans les yeux et lui rendre sa propre violence. Mais il y a un problème quand tu affrontes Mike Tyson. La puissance de frappe n'arrête pas un animal blessé. Installe-toi confortablement parce qu'un nouveau Clash of Titans est sur le point de commencer. Nous sommes le 18 mars 1991, Las Vegas. Tyson n'était plus champion du monde, mais il restait l'homme le plus craint de la boxe. Il avait perdu son aura d'invincible contre Buster Douglas, mais il n'avait pas perdu la peur qu'il provoquait. Il était toujours explosif, il était toujours brutal, il était toujours Mike Tyson. Donovan Ruddock était l'examen. Le mur. L'homme choisi pour vérifier si Tyson pouvait encore détruire un poids lourd d'élite. Ruddock était convaincu, ou du moins c'est ce qu'il disait avant le combat, que sa taille, sa force et sa fameuse gauche seraient suffisantes pour mettre fin au retour du monstre. Il n'y avait qu'une seule vérité. Quand tu es face à Mike Tyson, le premier plan qui meurt, c'est le tien. L'arbitre Richard Steele attendait pour les réunir au centre du ring. La guerre était sur le point de commencer. Tyson sort comme une balle. Il n'étudie pas, il n'attend pas, il attaque. Mouvement de tête explosif, petit pas, pression immédiate. Ruddock essaie d'utiliser son jab pour garder la distance, mais Tyson passe en dessous avec violence. Crochet au corps, droite courte, uppercut, tout avec l'intention de lui arracher sa confiance dès la première minute. Ruddock encaisse. Il répond avec des coups longs, mais Tyson a déjà envoyé un message clair. Il n'est pas venu boxer, il est venu le briser.
Difference in size immediately apparent. Ruddock just missed. The big question, can Ruddock was ready for it. He threw his bomb. Oh, all right. Mike Tyson and Ruddock stumbled, but he stayed up. While he'd thrown a big punch, he stumbled after the punch. Uppercut by Razor. Bombs. A big left miss. Any lessons from Douglas throwing an uppercut from outside? He's throwing from way out. It's done something. It stopped Iron Mike. Oh, and we felt the breeze. It was right above us. Tyson as aggressively as he had. Another uppercut. Boy, these uppercuts are getting contact. Tyson fighting a right-hand fight. So Mike Tyson, he's been throwing one punch at a time. And so has Razor Ruddock. Ruddock wanted to see what he could take. He certainly has shot some powerful punches at Tyson. And landed. There's another one. A good shot by Razor Ruddock. This tension with a knife. Both men throwing punches. Any one of which could stop it. 120 seconds in round one. Heading for the bell. Tyson hitting afterwards.
Tyson augmente la pression. Il coupe le ring comme un prédateur. Ruddock tente de se planter et de lancer sa gauche dangereuse, mais Tyson le touche en premier. Une courte combinaison entre proprement. Ruddock perd l'équilibre et tombe. Le public explose. Tyson marche vers son coin comme s'il savait déjà ce qui allait arriver. Ruddock se relève. Touché, surpris, mais avec le regard de quelqu'un qui n'est pas venu abandonner. Le combat vient de changer. Maintenant, Ruddock sait que la force de Tyson est toujours réelle.
Round two, it's scheduled for 12. Oh, a heavy right by Tyson, but down goes Ruddock. He says he slipped. But Steele is counting. He's counting in his suit. That wasn't much of a knockdown. There was a shot, though, and he did go down with... Boy, that could eliminate the knockdown as far as points are concerned. A flash knockdown. Steele, though, did not signal that he did not... Composed because a hurricane is building up. There's a big right by Tyson that rated in the opening round. Now, he's measuring Ruddock out and seems to be more at home. less than 30 seconds in round two. This body attack is a counterpunch. He has no game plan. And that is it for round two. Ball, it cost him a 10-8 round. His legs are tangled up there. And down he goes afterwards. That really...
Ruddock commence à trouver de l'espace. Il lance des jabs durs. Il cherche de smash. Il essaie de faire reculer Tyson avec des coups lourds. Et par moments, il y parvient. Tyson entre avec la tête basse, mais Ruddock l'accueille avec des mains dangereuses. Le public sent que ce combat ne sera pas une simple démolition. Ruddock n'est pas là pour survivre, il est là pour faire mal. Tyson le comprend et répond avec violence au corps. Crochet, crochet, droite. Chaque échange sonne comme un choc de pierre contre du métal.
Round three, it looked like Ruddock, as he was going down, got a punch off. Ruddock just went back. Oh, now he's trying to get his uppercut. Take advantage. Never been in this kind of an atmosphere. He's trying to land fast counter punches, but they don't land. He's gritting his face. Look at holding on, waiting for the punch.
Put your arm back, Grayson.
Maybe holding on for dear life. You do not want to get in there with Tyson. He's got short, stubby arms, and he kills you on Tyson. As long as Tyson gets in, he lets him go and lets him work on the inside. He's just leaning on Tyson. Oh, right by Tyson. Crowd erupting, thinking that Ruddock just doesn't quite get there. There's a left by Ruddock, a left by Tyson, and down goes Ruddock.
Hey, you okay? Come to me.
The bell is sounded to end the third. Let's take a look at that. Just when Ruddock thought he was on pay dirt, landing good punches, in comes a counter punch. What a tremendous shot by Tyson. Lucky that he got a killer, the left hook.
Le combat devient physique, sale, brutal. Tyson met la pression, Ruddock accroche, il pousse, il utilise sa taille. Mais chaque fois qu'il essaye de freiner la tempête, Tyson revient à l'intérieur avec des coups courts. Uppercuts au menton, crochets aux côtes, droites dans des espaces minuscules. Ruddock répond avec des mains lourdes et réussit à gêner Tyson. Pour la première fois, le combat ressemble à une vraie guerre. Pas une punition, pas une exhibition, une guerre. Tyson avance, mais Ruddock ne se brise pas.
12. Tyson out is sauntered out there like a man about to take his whipping. Tyson shockless as far as his feet go, not as far. It seems as if Tyson has dominated him so much that Ruddock has lost. Trying to catch his breath, looking for a second win here. Oh, body shot by Tyson. Uppercut by Tyson, and the crowd groans. That body shot sounded like he hit a drum. Again, the crowd groans. Relentless attack by Tyson. Right now, it's just a guy that's totally discombobulated.
Ruddock commence à y croire. Il connecte des coups durs. Sa gauche menace chaque fois que Tyson entre. Le public se lève parce qu'il comprend le danger. Un seul coup de Ruddock peut tout changer. Tyson encaisse, absorbe et continue de marcher vers l'avant. Il ne s'arrête pas, il ne recule pas, son visage ne change pas. Mike commence à travailler le corps avec plus de rage. Chaque coup semble porter un message. Tu peux frapper fort, mais moi, je vais rester ici jusqu'à ce que tu ne puisses plus.
Giacchetti admonishing Mike Tyson. Don't end it with one shot. You're out of your game plan. And he's right. He went to sleep. Steele warning. Oh! The judges have to worry about it. A right uppercut by Ruddock, but a glancing blow to officiate this one. Well, that was a good shot by Ruddock. Murad Muhammad, Tyson's promoter, Don King. Oh, there's a right hand by Mike Tyson. But they settled on
one of the best. I don't think anybody can question his integrity or his honesty.
A flurry in the center of the ring.
Tyson is patiently just cutting this. He's looking for that uppercut. He's looking for that one thing that can neutralize.
And Ruddock continues to hang in there despite being punished throughout.
As Tyson has virtually gone to sleep. Let's watch the way that Mike Tyson works. Look at that uppercut. Then he comes back with a punch. You see that later on in that round, Tyson just doesn't give up. There's the right hand, there's the left, there's the right again, and he just...
Tyson augmente encore le rythme. Il entre avec des combinaisons plus rapides. Ruddock essaye de répondre, mais il commence à perdre en lucidité. Il ne lance plus avec la même fraîcheur. Ses coups restent dangereux, mais Tyson est plus proche. Beaucoup trop proche. Crochet au corps, uppercut, droite courte. Ruddock accroche. Il respire. Il survit. Tyson le regarde comme s'il attendait le moment exact pour fermer la porte. Ruddock arrive dans son coin fatigué, touché, mais encore debout.
But he's having, even though he's getting chopped down little by little. Whoa, nice right hand by Tyson. Can he survive these wild punches by Ruddock? Ruddock's throwing some hard leather from time to time. Only takes one in the heavyweights.
Oh, what a right hand! Mike, who continues to stay on his feet. He's been knocked down twice earlier.
Little uppercut and then the right hand over. Oh, nice hook.
Here comes Razor Ruddock out of nowhere. A combination by Ruddock. An uppercut by Ruddock. A right by Ruddock. Tyson comes back. An incredible exchange with 20 seconds left in the sixth.
It's some hard punishment again.
A left uppercut by Razor Ruddock. That stunned Tyson. Now Tyson says no. Hit me again. And he did with the right. As the bell sounds.
It's the power and the accuracy of the punches he puts together. Two hooks and an uppercut. Another hook. Shot to the body. You see the way Tyson's head went back?
Tyson sort comme un bourreau. Il ne boxe pas. Il impose, il se jette sur Ruddock avec une pression sauvage. Ruddock essaie de répondre, essaie de sortir sa gauche, essaie de l'arrêter avec fierté. Mais Tyson entre avec une combinaison brutale. Crochet, droite, uppercut, encore un coup court. Ruddock vacille, son corps se plie, ses jambes n'obéissent plus de la même façon. Tyson sent le sang. Il se lance encore une fois, Ruddock essaie de se couvrir, mais il est déjà piégé face à la violence de Mike. L'arbitre Richard Steele intervient d'un coup et arrête le combat.
Well, let you know what I'm saying is no sip in that punches as they happen. Those body shots have been just took a little bit of effect on Tyson. That was a hard body shot by Tyson.
It seems to have taken some steam out of Tyson. Ruddock coming back. Now Tyson with a big left.
Did all that, and now it's my turn to hit some. Take a lot of punishment.
But here for withstanding this kind of barrage. Oh, what a right by Tyson!
And that Ruddock breeze just then.
Tyson has Ruddock on the ropes.
If Tyson applies the pressure, he's got.